Hello, I'm Mrs. Blackbird from Wild Tribe, and today we will search for yet another lost spell. Each spell in this book conjures an animal, bird, tree or flower with which we share our lives and land. At the end of this challenge, you will be more attuned to the barn owl, its movements, its habits and its sounds. Having experimented in creating your very own simple food chain, investigated how it might feel to be prey, and made your very own owl mask. Are you ready? All you need is a toy barn owl, or if you don't have a toy barn owl, a feather, a toy mouse. And if you don't have a toy mouse, a piece of string can represent the mouse. A nut or a berry, some holy limpet shells, and perhaps some more feathers. Put them in your rucksack and let's head down to the woods. Where is the barn owl's place in a very simple food chain? What do the barn owls eat? Well, they eat mice, don't they? And other small creatures. What do the mice eat? Berries and nuts. And where do the berries and nuts come from? The trees and the bushes. And how do the trees and the bushes grow? From the sun, the rain, and growing in the soil. Lay the items that you have carried with you in your rucksack down on the ground with the predator at the top. Next you'll have your prey. Then you'll have the food that the prey eats, the nuts or the berries, and then you can find things from the wild for the trees and the bushes to represent them, and the sun, the rain and the soil. How about finding out which other nocturnal animals are prey for the barn owl? Choose one and research it. Imagine you are this creature, out alone in the night and aware of the dangers. What can you hear, smell, see, taste and feel? Tell a short story of your experiences to a grown-up. It might be that you're listening like a mouse, or a vole, or a shrew. Let me read a short extract from the Lost Spells about the barn owl. It might help you. Below barn owl spreads silence. All sound crouches to ground, runs for cover, huddles down. Noise is what owl hunts, drops, stops dead. Over rushes, across marshes, owl hushes. Will you listen with owl ears for a while? Let the wild world's whispers call you in. Can you use your imagination to create your own barn owl mask? Without glue, just with what you can find. I've used feathers and holy limpet shells. What will you find? Let these spells ring far and wide. Speak their words and seek their art. Let the wild world into your eyes, your voice and your heart. Remember, look after yourself, look after each other and look after the environment. Until the next time.